Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to record Instagram story without holding button. Firstly, launch the application, and when you get up into your feed on your Instagram, just tap on the plus icon on your right upper side and then go for story. Right after that, choose camera, and here as you can see now, if I tap on that section for recording, it will just take a photo. Now if I get back and if I just tap and hold on it, as you can see, this is not our main point of this video, because here we need to record a video which will be without holding the button. Now as you can see on the left side you have options, but choose the last option by getting that tick, and again go for the last option which says hands-free. Go for it and just tap on that button, and now as you can see, this is an Instagram story recording without holding button. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.